Alright guys, this is the last question on the review. This one's kind of wordy, so let's take our time and set it up. Remember, please work this out before you watch this whole video. After we read through it, please pause, try it, and then check your answer. So, number 9. When at a conference, Mr. Gary rented a car for a fee of $62.50 plus 12 cents per mile he drives. What is the most miles Mr. Gary can drive without spending more than $320? Please try this on your own. Pause the video now, then watch for the work. Alright, so what I'm going to do first is circle some key information, underline some things, and make sure I get the problem right. So Mr. Gary rented a car for a fee of $62.50 plus, when I see plus, I think add 12 cents per mile, which means multiply, of what he drives. What is the most miles Mr. Gary can drive without spending more than 320? More than, that would be greater than. But it says without spending more than. So are we going to use greater than? We're probably actually going to use less than, because we need to spend less than that amount of money. So now let's set it up. $62.50 is the flat fee, plus 12 cents per mile, 0.12 times miles, needs to be less than $320. So all I've done is taken my information. I saw this was plus, and remember, 12 cents per mile, it means multiply 12 cents times the miles. And the total, it cannot be more than 320, so 320 has to be bigger than it. All we're going to do is solve for the miles. So go through your steps. Do I have parentheses? No. Do I have combined like terms? No. So let's move our numbers on one side. Ignore the number with your letter. That's going to be handled last. So I'm going to actually have to move $62.50 over here. And then this right here is going to leave me 50 cents. Lots of borrowing. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Had to borrow from, to make this 1, 10, make that a 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. Borrow again. 11 minus 6 is 5. 2 minus 0 is 2. So $257.50. Now our last step, we're going to divide by 12 cents. So they're going to cancel there, and we'll get M has to be less than whatever this answer is. Now you can put it in your calculator, which is what I'm going to do. Make sure you have it set up correctly. The number on top, 257.50 divided by 0.12, which will give me 2,145.83 repeating, which means I can go 2,145 miles, because it had a little bit extra. So that's how many miles I can go exactly when it's rounded. Alright guys, I hope you did well on the review. Final tips. Please go over your notes, study them. Go over the old videos, study them. Retry some old problems. The more prepared you are, the better you're going to do. Alright? And it's all on you guys. I expect everybody to do well. There may be one or two difficult questions on there, but you can do it, okay? Good luck. This was your review, and you will take your test tomorrow.